This is awesome. I got some ice up here. Alright. About 7 a.m. Kansas. January weather, man. 2020. Here we go. Right before the storm here. Highway 75, not looking too bad.
I took a walk around the road.